there's no more food in the house. Sir, come, there's no more food in the house. What are we going to eat now? That me I've already eaten, you know. Where? In my dream. In your dream. How's that possible? I'm already eating, so maybe just find something to eat. Just leave my own. I've eaten, Daddy, I'm hungry, and there's no more food in the house. Don't disturb me, okay? Do you share any food with me? Please, if you are hungry, go and sleep and go and eat in your dream as usual. Daddy, I'm not feeling sleepy. It's not time to sleep now. Why are you doing here? What are you doing? Adam, wake up, get it? Oh, Daddy, why did you wake me up now? And I was enjoying the. What did you steal? On the jam and the 40 road. On the jam, you better have best food. They even lodged me in the 5-star hotel. 5-star hotel? You know what? Slap me, I need to sleep too. Look out for them. Daddy, please. I will not tell you. Daddy, please. You won't take your monta. You are chopping against lips in the public. No, Daddy. I'm just helping her to clean her lipstick. You cannot use your hand. Daddy, my hand is paining me. Good. Mumbo.
They be feeling me crazy. They might love me crazy. They want me crazy. We be
go and dump this. Go and dump this refuse. Yes, sir. Hello. What are you trying to do? I want to go and dump the refuse. I know you cannot use your hand. Your hand is paining you now. I know that my hand is no longer paining me. Your hand must be paining you. Use your mouth to go and dump the refuse. And dump yourself. Hey, Daddy, have you taken your drugs? Yes. Okay, hey, I'm going out now. Hope you don't need anything. No. Okay, I'm going to the school. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Adam? Ha! How am I to look? Adam? Adam? Sir? Don't go yet. Come back. Come. Daddy, I'm already late now. Daddy, I'm already late now. And I ask you what? Oh, please. Pass me this newspaper. It's important. What's your sickness? Oh yeah, start it, yo. It's okay. Daddy, let me help you to come and do it now. Shut up, idiot. What do you know? What can you do? Are you going to buy me? Oniranu. Start it again, yo. Or there. Daddy, let me help you to come and do it. Oh yeah, come and do it. If they burn you well, don't do it very well, oh. Daddy, just start it. Hello? Your car is sick, eh? Don't worry. Adam, sir. Well, you're gonna go help Moses to repair his car. Daddy, I'm preparing for school now. And besides, that's not my work. That's not your work, idiot. Now that you have discovered your gift, just be going around, be repairing all the cars that have malaria, that have typhoid, and be bringing no money for me, Odere. And then what about school? Leave school for principal. Can't you see that God loves me? I asked God for a son, and he gave me a mechanic. God, chop keys. Adam, sir, come. You didn't clean this place very well. Daddy, I cleaned it now. Oh, come and clean it again. Daddy, I can't clean it again, no. I mean the one you are talking to like that? You think you can be frustrating me with this cutlass, Abby? You think so? Oh, sure. Hey, me. Don't get satisfied. Sure. Yeah. Who teach you all this rubbish you are doing? Master Lee. Why are you calling them? Collect the cutlass from me. Teach me how to fight. Call it for me. Hello, Master Lee. Forget you. My father wants to talk to you. Take the phone of the idiot. Hello. Òpònú ló kọ́ ẹ ní ṣàkíyàn. Bàbá Twali. If you cut the call, I cut you. Is that the money follow me song? Yes, it's the song. Money follow you. That is money follow you. Where's this banana? Where did I keep this banana? Oh, Daddy. Daddy, because of banana, you are hiding. What do you banana? You see? If I talk, you go say I dey talk. But anyone you dey use the Panadol for my headache, you what's your own? I say I don't want banana. I bet I look like a monkey. Daddy, why did you send me happy new month message? Why you can just call me and wish me happy new month with your bare mouth? But say better now, Reo.
If I talk now, they will say Baba Don is wicked. They will say Baba Don is removing cutlass. With all this rubbish you are saying now, why would I cut you into pieces? Tell me. So because we are living together now, you think it's every time I will be talking to you, happy new month, happy new month. Oh, baby, ni wabi. There are a lot of difference between us. So I wear yellow cap, you wear a party cap. It just is not saying that I use my beer mouth. Beer mouth to call. Baraga mouth to me. Hey, hello. Do you want to destroy the house? Daddy, did you build your house very well? How we want to destroy the house? I hope you build the house very well. It is you I did not build very well. If you build the house very well, you won't be disturbing yourself if the house will collapse or not. And I told you when you wanted to build this house, I said that you should contact Compass Construction. These people are architectural designer. They can construct any house in Nigeria, in anywhere. I don't need to build one good house, Joe, where there is duplex waiting for me in heaven. Daddy, you are so funny. Is it duplex you have in heaven or best quarter? That's true. Oh, yeah, go help me to find out. Please don't let me find out. Hello, young man. You must find out.
If you ain't talking money, cause the money talks bullshit, what? I ain't got no time.
Adam? Sir? How many times have I tell you, be pressing this toothpaste from the yash? Ah! Why are you covering your nose? Can't you talk? Ah! Daddy, your mouth is smelling. Daddy, are you no more brushing? Let me tell you something. I will not brush for 40 days. If you have the one that your mouth is smelling, Daddy, you will see. Ha! Daddy, please brush. I won't brush for 40 days and 40 nights. Why are you? Hey, Ada. Oh yeah, come. I want to tell you something. Okay. How can you hear me from there? Are you a Bluetooth device? Come closer.
Baby, come closer.
Ada, why are you crying? That is not Rotimi. Rotimi beat me. Your mate beat you and you are crying like this. When I was right, the only thing that used to make me cry is Alubosa. Onion, you are here crying. What is the fight you fight? Is it Boskin or Gidigbo? Both. You must kill him. You must beat him today. Nishonibe. Okay, no problem. Hey, come. Is he the only one at home? Yes, he's the only one at home. But he said his father is coming back after fighting Boko Haram. Is his father a Sojani? Yes, now. And I used to tell you that it's not good for a child of God to be fighting. I be also for hope he beat you very well, sir. He beat me. Good. Oh, yeah, get inside and fight no more. How was it? New car! Please give me. I want to test it. Give me car key. No problem. Take Ojere.
Yeah, Daddy, my leg has break. Oh.
Okay, that's good. Hope my whiskey did not break, sir.
Your whiskey has break. Oh. Everything has break and scatter. But I am still alive.
No, you are not alive. my friend. Mogbe, card has finished. What done? Ada? Sir. Oh yeah, please. Help me to borrow card again from them. That you cannot borrow money again, no. You are owing them 2,000 naira. Tell them that I will pay them back. No, that's not possible now. Daddy, there's a promo outside now called Visual Wolf. All just need to do is just for you to buy a pack of any Visual brand. Once you buy the pack, just look for a scratch card with the unique code. You now send that unique code to 20388. You cannot win any time and money. Are you really? See, even the money. First prize is 200,000 for one person. Second prize 20,000 for two people. Third prize 10,000 for two people. It will go like that for weeks. Weeks for 4 months. Oh yeah, go ahead to collect one pack of video from Yadisi there. Oh yeah, I will pay you later. Okay, Daddy, let me finish what I'm doing. If you finish what you are doing, I will finish you. Go now. Ogbe, I don't want you? Daddy, I had a bike accident. This one, let me come and go and buy drug. Oh, yeah, come me. Give one more.
Life is so funny.
Are you okay now?
I am okay.
Good. Oh, yeah, knee down here. Raise up your hands and close your eyes. When you go and have accident in this economy, ginger your swagger. It's not my fault. And I'm going to use all my money to buy drugs and Paranamo. I'm sorry. Sorry for yourself. Why can't you walk with your leg? What do you can wear Okada? They don't use you to do Fast and Furious. Daddy, please let me be going. Please, I have something to do. That is where you will be until Buhari come back.
Yeah, it's so funny.